Hi everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. Today I'm going to show you how to cook rice. I know it's rather simple, but this is my technique that I use. And in the end I rinse the rice and starch off. So get your water started, and then we'll get our 1 cup of rice. Alrighty, once you're up to a rolling boil, just salt your water a little. And then you want to stir in 1 cup of rice. And then let that come back to a rolling boil. Then you want to turn it down to about medium-low, just so it'll simmer. You don't put a lid on it, you just let it do its thing. And we'll do this about 20-25 minutes. I also come back and I stir it every once in a while, maybe every 5 minutes, just to keep it from, make sure it's not sticking to the bottom. I've turned it up to about medium. Okay, this stuff looks about done. I also just take a piece or two like that, and I taste it to make sure. And it is done. So we are going to bring it over to the sink. It's better to use a mesh or a small wire screen colander. I've never used this one for rice yet. We'll see how it goes. And then just pour it in. And then I just rinse it off. And there you have it. Nice fluffy rice without the starches. Thanks for watching, everybody. By the way, this rice is going to be used in some boudin Joe's going to be making.